Ardha Matsyendrāsan. Sit in Dandasan, legs stretched out, spine erect, hands beside the body, toes stretched in and knees straight. Slowly fold your left leg at the knee and place the left foot beside your right buttock. Bend your right leg and place it over the edge of your left knee. Right knee pointing up. Place your right palm behind your buttock, fingers pointing back. As you breathe in, stretch your left arm up, and as you breathe out, cross your right knee and grab your right foot and twist your spine towards the right. Turn your head back from the right. Your shoulders in one line and chin parallel to the shoulder. Stay here for a few normal breaths. Slowly come back to the initial position and relax. Repeat on the other side. Ardha Matsyendrāsan stimulates the spinal nerves and improves blood circulation, massages pancreas and liver, making it very beneficial for metabolic disorders. This asana also improves the functioning of the pancreas, liver, kidney, and alleviates gastric and digestive problems.